Hey sweeties, welcome and welcome back to the channel. We are in the laundry room, yes indeed, only because the things that I want to show y'all, I don't want the girls to see it right now because y'all know we have a giveaway coming up, and I also want to include my kids and my family, just thanking them for helping me get to 100K as well as y'all. So this stuff I have to show y'all in the laundry room because it has to stay in the laundry room. I could go in my room, but it's a mess. I could go in the living room, but I'd be asleep on the couch. In the dining room, I just don't want nobody to see it until it's ready to be seen. Okay, so we're just gonna hop right into the video. We got everything from SHEIN, and my girls love Pop-Up Girls. Simple as that. I had to put everything in the dryer, and I had to put it all in a trash bag. Okay. Oh, I just pulled everything out. This is the bottom of the bag, child. This is everything, y'all. Okay, my camera about to die, and I feel like Ivy about to wake up, so we gotta hurry up. Okay, so the first thing we got, y'all, were some plushies. This is so freaking cute. I absolutely love it, and it's huge. It's literally huge. I did not expect it to be this big, y'all. Super cute, super soft, and she did not come with a smell. That was the main thing that I was worried about, a smell, because my kids use these as like pillows, and I really do like the fact that it looks like the actual character. Y'all know sometimes when you get things from these stores or these places, websites, the characters be a little off, especially if they're not the original creator or seller. It'd be a little off for like copyright reasons, but this, spot on, y'all. Literally spot on. Super freaking cute. So we got Bubbles. Let me know down below who was your favorite Powerpuff Girl. But we got Blossom, my favorite. She's so freaking cute. Like, spot on, y'all. And they so big. But we got Blossom, super cute. And of course, we had to get the little evil sister, Buttercup. Look, she's so mean. Why is she so mean? And I honestly feel like Buttercup was the original Shigo. Super cute though, right? So at this point, I don't know who's going to get what Powerpuff Girl except for Zori. She loves Blossom. And I think we're going to give her the Blossom for sure. Definitely for sure. Okay, next thing we got the girls were some blankets. You can't get the plushie / pillow without getting a blanket to match, okay? So I'm not going to open all three of them. I did open one. So yes, I did get all three of my littles the same thing, because the amount of times that they fuss and fight over the same exact toy, they can literally have the same exact toy but in different colors. They will fight over the colors. They will literally fight over the colors. So I have to ask Charlie which Powerpuff Girl she liked the best. But y'all, here's the blanket. Super cute, not too big, not too small. And I specifically bought this for them so they could go ahead and wear it around the house. As y'all know, we did just get them rolls, but they still be wearing them blankets down, y'all. It makes no sense. And as soon as they dad get here and see that their blankets are not on their bed, he gets upset. But these are their blankets, super cute. Now they did have a bigger version, but they also had the options where it's like when you go to pick what you want to add on your cart, you pick the size and then you pick the cartoon style. When I chose the bigger size, the cartoon wasn't like lit up anymore. So I didn't think the bigger size came with the actual Powerpuff Girl prints on it, but this is super cute. And it does have like the little fleece material on the back. Super cute, y'all. So I'm excited for them to see this stuff. And I just want to thank my girls, just like I'm thanking y'all with all of the giveaway gifts and stuff. I want to give them thank you gifts. Just let them know I appreciate them. So we have 3 blankets, one for Ivy, one for Charlie, and one for Zori. I was mainly looking for things that came with all 3 Powerpuff Girls in it for my 3 little Powerpuff Girls. So here's Bubbles' little scrubby. That's not cute. If you don't think it's cute, something really wrong with you. But there's Bubbles. We have Buttercup. Super cute, right? And then we have Blossom. Now, my kids came a long way when it came to bath time. They were not fans of it at first. When we went to the Poconos, they did enjoy getting in the shower, but they love bath time now, especially with the bubbles, the toys, the little Crayola crayons that we get from the Dollar Tree. These are super cute, and they are going to love bath time much, much more. Yeah. I think that is so cute. And I gotta get them baskets, like a green basket for Buttercup, orange or pink basket for, what should I do? What color basket should I do for Blossom? orange or pink or red. Is she red? I feel like she's orange and pink. Should I do an orange or should I do a pink basket for Blossom? Let me know in the comments down below. And then for Buttercup, we could obviously do a yellow or a blue. So now that I'm looking at this, Shein also have stuff for their room, y'all. So maybe we could just do their room, Powerpuff Girls. They have a dresser coming. So maybe we could get into decorating their room finally. I don't know yet. We'll talk about that in a different video, but let's get into the next thing. Now, Ivy's only 2. And I don't care. And she's a small too. She's so little, so cute. But I got her a purse along with the other 2 girls too. Is this not cute? Stop. And she's a good quality, y'all. Real good quality. Now, as you can see, she is shaped like a heart. Have all of the Powerpuff Girls on it. She has a zipper. She has the little things right here for the handle. Let's get the handle out and put her on. I love being a girl mom. The only times I don't like being a girl mom is, y'all know, when it comes to hair. But buying them all of the cute little accessories and everything, what? Probably one of my favorite things to do other than cook for them. But y'all, let me get this off. Shein, yeah. Yeah. They're gonna be so freaking cute. So cute. Okay, I'm about to put the straps on, y'all. All right, one. I'm excited, and I don't know how I'm gonna hide this video because this need to go out by a certain day, and the giveaway or the celebration is not about to happen this week or next week, I don't think. Stop. That is so freaking cute, y'all. So cute. They're going to be so hyped. They love purses. They love all things girly. But that is so cute. And I feel like if I was one of those older women who still got into like the character things, like the Hello Kitty, the Powerpuff Girls, Winnie the Pooh, if I still got into stuff like that, I would definitely wear this. And I do like the shade of pink that it is, y'all. They have a lot of pink clothes, as all little girls do. But yeah, super cute. And for it to be shaped like a heart, there's a lot of space in here. Whole lot of space, y'all. So yeah, they can fit their little perfume, their little hand sanitizer, they money. Yes, they have money. They got $7 that they've been holding on to for the longest. And I promise it's $7 for each of them. So they money. Maybe I can find them some little wallets or coin purses and stuff like that. Because y'all know how I told y'all in the Valentine's Day prep video how every time I get them gifts, I feel like it's not enough. So we got those so cute little purses. That is so cute. Oh, y'all, I'm so freaking excited. I cannot wait to thank them with this stuff. And they keep asking for this stuff. They keep asking for Powerpuff Girl toys and stuff. So I still got to get them some toys. But they're also asking for Baby Alive. So I'll go into the store and get that. I think I want to go shopping this weekend. Because we still have to get the things for Aubrey and for that man. He bought my camera, y'all, so I might as well just get him the whole channel at this point. But the way that I get so much support from y'all, my neighbors, I just seen my neighbor yesterday. I really want to ask him to help me with the gardening because I want to garden. But here are the other 2 purses for the other 2 little girls that I have. Y'all, I can't wait to see their faces, yo. They are going to be so freaking excited. They're going to be excited for the fact that it's Powerpuff Girls, but I think they're going to be excited more at the fact that they have so much Powerpuff Girl stuff. Because at this very moment, I think the only thing they have right now are pajamas and socks, and we still got them from Shein, y'all. But they're going to be so freaking excited. And I think the thing that I'm mainly excited about, even though we're not at the end of the video just yet, my favorite things right now is the plushies because they're so big. I did not expect them to be that big. So we got the girls a notebook, y'all. This notebook is super cute. Y'all know Zori, she's in school. And y'all know my notebook that I got from Shein with the bows on it. She took one of them and she used it for school because they're learning consonants and vowels. So I had to write it all down for her. And she wanted something that she could take wherever she went, whether she was doing school with her grandparents when they go over there for the weekend or whatever. But we got her own little book. Knowing Zuri, she might use this to draw the Powerpuff Girls because she pulled it up on YouTube and she follows step by step. That girl, she knows what she want to do, how to do it, and want to do it. But this is a little notebook, y'all. Hopefully I could go back on SHEIN and find them some cute little Powerpuff Girl pins. But I love this little picture here, and it's on all of the pages too. So yeah, y'all, really cute. It's metallic, and it just say Powerpuff Girls on the front. Got all 3 girlies, and then some cute little decorations around the side. I love the fact that it is like a spiral notebook. She a little sturdy too, y'all. And y'all know I love notebooks. So every time I do these videos, I want something for myself from these girls. Like, the things that I buy for them, I want it for myself. But we got 3 of these for Ivy, Zuri, and Charlie. Y'all, can y'all tell I'm excited? I really am. Okay. What else? All right, y'all, and we got 2 more things. Now, I need to still figure out how I'm going to package this up other than the baskets. I want to know if I should do like shrink wrap, make it look real, real cute. Or if I don't do the basket, should I just put everything in a bag? I want it to look nice, y'all. Nice and neat and really thought out. Okay, so let's get into this first. These are bracelets. And like I said, everything came, well, most things came in the pack of 3, which is good for me and my 3 littles. So we got this style of bracelet. It's like the beads, the small beads on the side. Here is Blossom, super cute. We have Buttercup. And then here is Bubbles. Super freaking cute, and it's small enough to fit their little wrist. If they lose them, oh well, so swell. I don't know what to tell you, but super, super cute. And the last thing we got y'all to go with their purses are some bag charms or keychains. I told that man that they were keychains when I was showing him this stuff, and he was like, they don't even got keys. And I'm like, do you not know what girls do? You don't need keys to have a keychain. If you got a purse, you can wear it on your purse, a wallet, anything. But here's Buttercup, super, super freaking cute. And her little, and she has a star for her little clip. Love it. Here is Blossom. Really cute, y'all. And she has a heart. She has a heart. And then I think I like Bubbles better, y'all. Like when it comes to the colors, I think I like Bubbles better. This blue and yellow is so cute together. And she just has a regular circle. So in my opinion, Blossom is the ringleader. Bubbles is, I'm not going to say the boss, but because Blossom is really the boss. But I feel like Buttercup is the one who will put her foot down and had a final say so. Correct me if I'm wrong. I ain't seen it in a long time. And Bubbles is just so all peaches and cream, lollipops and swirls, rainbows and sparkles. That's who Bubbles is. A little ditzy, but still. I feel like that's the perfect trio. The perfect trio. You need somebody who won't put their foot down and let people know, like, you ain't about to play with me or my sisters. That's what you need. And that right there, that's Ivy for sure. Now, I just said that Bubbles is ditzy, but I'm going to take that back. I'm just going to say jolly, very happy-go-lucky. That's definitely Charlie. Have no cares in the world. Think everything is just peaches and cream. That's Charlie for sure. And the boss, the leader, the mom, Bubbles. The person, I mean, who does Blossom? The person who's always telling each other what we're going to do. Like you the boss. The person who always got a plan, thinking that she know what she about to do and thinking that her plan is going to succeed. Ain't even passing by the mom, the actual parent or nothing. But anyway, y'all, that's it. I think they are going to be so freaking happy with their gifts. Of course, we're going to add more to it. Probably just like some stuff to go in their purses or other branded toys like the Baby Alive. So something that they can actually play with and use. This stuff is just accessories or things for their room. Now, SHEIN, they do have some things, Powerpuff Girls, for their room. So I may even make that the theme finally. I told y'all in one of my shirts before that Charlie loved rainbow colors. So I feel like that's a whole lot of colors. Pink, blue, green, orange, red. Just about every color of the rainbow, except for purple. But yeah, I feel like that would be cute to decorate their room. And of course, we're going to go back on SHEIN and see what they have. I saw a rug for their room, and I also saw like a little hamper. Yes, please. But y'all, my camera is about to die, so I am going to let y'all go. I thank y'all so much for tuning in with me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow me on all my social media platforms. I'll put them on the screen here. And don't forget to check out SHEIN and enter any search codes that I may have to find everything that I have shown y'all today. If you like something, let me know in the comments below, like your favorite item. As mentioned, mine was the plushies as number 1, and then coming in second place, we have the purses, okay? Really, really cute, really, really tea. So I'm gonna let y'all go. I love y'all. And also stay tuned for the other gifts that I'm going to be going shopping for y'all, for the other 2 giveaway gifts, and for that man, and for my oldest daughter, Aubrey. Okay? But that's it, y'all. I love y'all, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye. We gotta put the merchandise back, y'all. Just in case they come back here looking for the extra snacks that we have, that we store back here. Just in case.